Hi, in this video we're going to be working with rotation banner. This is mostly used when you have different information that you don't want to have it on different panels. You want to have it on the same slider so that the clients can navigate through it, maybe using some arrows on the side, and then they can look for all the information instead of maybe scrolling throughout the page. This is really helpful, and this is a really new tool. You can find it on your Cheetah builder. Go to add, then go elements, and it will be here, rotation banner. Just drag it to your side and it will show up like this. To configure, it's really simple. If you click on it, you can see all the configurations that it has available as the other tools. Just make sure to click on the box, like the bigger one, and not the inside elements, because if you click on maybe on the image, it's going to show you the configurations for this specific element and not for the rotation banner. So make sure to click on the banner itself so you can see, when you click on the right part, when you can see the title of the tool. In this case, it's rotation banner, and then you have all these options right here. So after you click on it, you have on the right side, you have the general settings, which you can change the label. You can say, set the effect of the transition. It can be slider, fade in or fade out. It can be as none. The autoplay time, if you want to autoplay like the images or the elements to slide to the side automatically, or if you want to only the clients to see the other information only when they click on the arrows, you can also add it here. And just make sure to understand that the arrows are only going to be visible on the live version or the preview window. You can change the arrow color here, the size, the pattern internal, and as the other tools, you have the option to change the size, the minimum size, the width on tablet, the background, border. You can play around with all these options until it looks like your website, like it has the same design as your website. But the basic ones that where you can like add more information or more elements, images, text, or buttons will be right here. You can edit the information, to edit the design, it will be the first button, and you have all these options as I explained before. And then you can center the element, you can add more pages. And if you want to edit each of the pages of the rotation banner, just click on these two arrows to change it. And you can also duplicate the rotation banner right here. You can hide it or delete it. In my case, I don't want to edit anymore, so I think this is fine. I only, for example, added this image and this text, and I only added like this. It's the same as if you were adding the elements to the rest of the page. Only look for the element that you want to add and then drag it to the rotation banner. After you save, this is how it will look on the live version. As you can see, it moves to the side, or it slides the page to after some time, but you can also click on the arrows and it's going to show you the next page.